Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Billy. Um, this is going to be my first video that is very, very basic. So the goal is that even if you do not speak any English, this video and other videos like it can be helpful for you to start getting exposed to the language. Okay, today I'm going to talk about my life in Colorado. I live in a state called Colorado in the United States of America. The country that I live in is the United States of America. And I live with my family. So, me, my wife, my son, or my kid, and our cat. Our cat's name is Benji. He's a black cat, and he is about 1 year old. So very young cat. I'm going to share a few things that I really, really love about Colorado. First, I love the mountains, and the rivers. So the rivers, water flows through the rivers, and the mountains are snowy. They have snow in the winter, and then in the summer, when it's hot, when the sun is shining, uh, in the summer, the mountains are dry, and you can hike, and in the winter, you can ski down the mountains. The second thing that I love about Colorado, the second thing that I love about Colorado is the city. I live near the city of Denver, Colorado. It's a big city, not as big as others like New York City or Los Angeles or Chicago. So it's smaller than those cities, but still a very nice city. So I like the city of Denver. The third and final thing that I like about living in Colorado is the food. Delicious food. There's so much delicious food. So we live near a lot of food trucks. Sorry for my terrible drawing. So we live near a lot of food trucks. Where they serve food from the truck. So you can order tacos or Thai food or Indian food or Chinese food or pizza or any type of food from a truck, which is really interesting and fun and cool. And I like that I can get so much amazing food so easily near where I live. Okay, that's it for today's video, and I will thank you for coming, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.